Hey guys, I'm just gonna go through some quick practice questions dealing with estimating pKa values of certain chemicals at 25 degrees Celsius or standard room temperature. The first one would be 3,4,5 trichlorophenol, and we're gonna use the Hammond equation here to go and help solve it. So this first part of the equation, this is what we're trying to find. This right here is a pKa of this chemical here. This right here is a pKa of the unsubstituted version of the molecule on the left here. So this would actually be this. And this is the substitutability factor, which is kind of just describes what effect these substituted groups have on the structure, if it increases or decreases the pKa or the overall pKa of the molecule. And then next is just the Hammond constants, which we'll see later on. All right, let's solve this. So, according to literature, the pKa of a phenyl group should theoretically be 9.9. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in 9.9 right here. Then we're going to subtract it by the substitutability factor, which should be 2.25. So here, phenyl group, its unsubstituted pKa is 9.9. This substitutability factor 2.25. All right. Next is the Hammond constants. So the Hammond constant depends on the substituted groups within or attached to the molecule. So right here we have 3 chlorines here. However, they're all in different positions. So 1, 2, 3. These 2 chlorines are in meta positions because they're 1, 2, 3 carbons away from the main OH group here. So we have 2 chlorines here, which are meta. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 1 chlorine, which is in para, because para position is in 4 carbons away. So what we need to do now is find these values on our chart. So we have a chlorine here. Remember, we have 2 chlorines, which are 0.37 because they're meta. We have 1 chlorine, which is 0.22 because it's para. So what we gotta do is just plug it in. 37 plus 0.37 plus 0.22. So overall, this should give us a value of around 7.74, which is, it's a good estimate of the actual pKa value, because the real pKa value of this chemical is supposed to be 7.74.